Hi, now let's look at number 34. When Mai solved the system of equations below, she got x equals 4 and y equals 2. Without solving the system yourself, can you tell her whether her solution is correct, and how would you know? Well, you are going to know because you can plug in 4 for x and 2 for y, and if it works for both equations, then you know that you're good to go. So let's try to plug it in. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 times 2 is 6, and that gives you 22. So it works for that one. Over here, x was 4 and y was 2, so 4 minus 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 minus 4 is 0. This works for both equations, and so she was correct. Now let's look at number 35. Okay, so it says, I'm going to read the first paragraph off my paper so I don't have to mess with the Zoom. You've decided to give your best friend a bag of marbles for his birthday. Since you know that your friend likes green marbles better than red ones, the bag has twice as many green marbles as red. The label of the bag says it contains a total of 84 marbles. How many green marbles are in the bag? Write an equation or a system of equations for this problem, then solve the problem using the method that you choose. Be sure to check your answer when you're finished. So, first, let's find our let statements. I'm going to use G to be the number of green marbles and R to be the number of red marbles. So when we go back to the word problem, it says, since they like green marbles better than red, the bag has twice as many green as it does red. So what that means is that whatever your red number of marbles is, you're going to have to take that times 2 to get the number of green marbles. And then you know the grand total, R plus G, equals 84. So now you have 2R equals G, and then R plus G equals 84. I like to use substitution. So I know that G equals 2R. So when I see G, now I'm going to plug in 2R. R plus 2R is 3R. So I have 3R equals 84. Divide both sides by 3 and I get 28. Well, if there are 28 red marbles, then I'm going to plug it in. 28 times 2 gives me 56 green marbles. And thanks for listening.